this video I will teach you how to do all of things with Microsoft 365 Office that just work on computer PC. So today I will show you in mobile how to work that, and if you click on there, or if you haven't this app yet, you just go Play Store or App Store and search Microsoft Office. You can get this easily. So here is a couple of options for doing edit your PDF and to play with your PDF file games. So one of thing here is those type of thing is on PC, all of thing has on mobile. So if I go scan tools, you just click on open, and here is the option. So image to text, all of thing here, image to text. So if I click on here and processing, what should it happen? So let's say it's extracting text. Try again. We couldn't find any data in this image. Please make sure that correct language is selected. So wait, I just select that and continue. So see what should happened. So you can try that later, no problem. So it's take some time. And image to table, all of the, it's just scan tools, and you can, if you want to see any more, you can just download and scan tools. You can use you can use this whatever way you want, and how much time you want you see or you use this type of thing. So if I go PDF tools, here is sign a PDF. If I click on there, here is on my PDF. If you want to sign anywhere, you just write okay. Here is the option delete and signature, create new, and you just my name is, so I'm just sign here R90 risk. So this is my signature, and here is my signature. If you want to decrease and increase, you can do that your one way, and I'm putting here on here. So it's a signature thing. Any PDF you want to do that your one way. So I'm just click on left top button, right option, you click on there, it's done. If you want to download this, just click on, and yeah, it's pretty easy. You can do that yourself. And if I click on scan to PDF, click on there, and you can use that your one way. I just show you how many option has on this apps. Picture to PDF, if I click on there, and here is, I'm just click on this and go next and next, save. It's safe. You need to just create an account and it should be automatically safe. So, and if I go again there, I will show you all of things. So PDF tools, if I click on document to PDF, it's same way. You can do that your one way. PDF to Word, it take premium thing. It's not easy, it's not free. And if you click on note, if you have any note, it's just show here more from Microsoft. So you need to install all of things, and it will be there after work. So Microsoft list all of things here. You use this your one way. If you have any if you have any perspective or if you have any intention of use these apps, you can just install immediately and you can take action on this app. So it's easy to do, pretty simple. And if you have any PDF for edit, you can use this your way. Microsoft, it's not just for in these apps. Microsoft has a lot of apps for edit PDF, like just right here PDF editor. So here is a lot of option you can get. So whatever apps you use, no problem, you can do that. And it's easy to do, pretty simple. Okay, see you later. Until that, happy hunting.